My name is Roel Van Den Broek. I am the CEO of the Logic Factory. We've been a DELMIA Quintiq partner for over 16 years. And we are working in supply chain planning optimization actually since the end of the 90s. We are, let's say, the hardcore first artificial intelligence supply chain planning partner that there is. And that's where we make our living. A bit of history. We fell in love with the original Quintiq. We understood how it worked. We were doing the partners. We were doing the projects. When the merger came with Dassault Systèmes, we became a Dassault Systèmes partner, and that's where we are at the moment. And for us, this is the start of the future. We are not only a DELMIA Quintiq partner, we are also fully into DELMIA. We want to go also into Net5s. So yeah, we are fully into the Dassault Systèmes. So when we engage with any of our customers or with our prospects, we actually explain them the story about the Formula One team. Because that is for us the fundamental story that we have. The Formula One team has three key elements. It has the racing car, which is a brilliant technology. This is where I always position Dassault Systèmes and especially DELMIA. We have the driver. The driver is the customer. And there's only one thing that is on his mind, that is winning the race. And there's us, the pit crew, the engineering. And for us, the pit crew and the engineering is the first part of every engagement, is making sure you have the best possible car at the start of the race. That is what we call the project. But that's just a technical implementation. Because at the moment that we go live, we start the race, then actually it's the second part of the race. Because then it's all about winning and driving the value. So when crossing the line and we win the race together, that's when the project is done, but also the value is generated. That is actually what it makes us every day tick as the Logic Factory. That's where we find our motivation. So for me, the Quintiq Partner Days are fundamental in many ways. There is not that much time and effort during the year where we can actually see the whole ecosystem. It's not only the partners, it's also the senior management, the leadership. It's the stories about artificial intelligence, about the roadmap, where are we going to. So that's the part of it that we really appreciate. So for us, the Partner Day is a starting point, and it's always, let's say, number one. And then there's the Customer Day, because our customers really want to come together with other customers. And the fundamental reason why they want to do it is because they want to hear about experiences of others. They want to hear about projects that went great. They want to hear about lessons that they learned. They want to hear about the hiccup, but also how it was resolved and how it actually became a success. So for us, the Partner Day is like meeting old friends, but also experiencing new things that are going on. And on the other hand, it's the Customer Day, where we allow our customers, together with other customers, to sit together and to learn from each other. So that's for us the reason why I hope we do it in 25 and in many years to come.